In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure area in AutoCAD using the MeasureGEOM tool. Whether you're checking the size of a room, a plot, or a custom shape, this method gives you fast, reliable results right inside your drawing. Start by activating the Measure Geometry command. Click into the command line at the bottom of your screen, type MeasureGEOM, and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD you're about to measure something, and it will prompt you with options. Because we're interested in area, simply type A and press Enter to choose the area option. You'll see the command line update to let you know it's ready for your selection. From here, you have two convenient ways to measure. If your shape is already a closed object, like a rectangle, a closed polyline, or a circle, just hover over it and click once when it highlights. Closed means there's no gap in the boundary, the start and end meet perfectly. The moment you click a closed object, AutoCAD instantly calculates and displays the area along with the perimeter right on the command line and usually near your cursor as a tooltip. It's quick, accurate, and ideal when your geometry is well defined. If you don't have a single closed object, you can define a custom area by clicking multiple points. Click around the boundary in order, moving from point to point the way you'd trace the edges with a pen. AutoCAD draws temporary segments between your clicks, and when the boundary loops back to the start, it closes the shape and reports the area and perimeter. For best accuracy, try to snap to exact corners or intersections. If object snaps are active, you'll see helpful markers that make precise picking easier. The reported area uses your drawing units, so if your file is set to meters, you'll get square meters. If it's in inches, you'll see square inches. Keep that in mind when interpreting results. If something looks off, double check that the boundary is truly closed or that you clicked all the necessary points. Even a tiny gap can change the result. That's all there is to it. Activate MeasureGEOM, choose area, select a closed object, or click points to define one and view your result. With this workflow, you can verify quantities, compare options, and document your design confidently, all without leaving AutoCAD.